the terriers were having fun at least, weren't they? But I am really ashamed about the number of little black plastic plant pots that lurk at the back of my shed. Plants we bought mean to recycle the pots, but we know we never will. And isn't it time for a change? Isn't it time we all started using something like these? These are wool pots made of sheep's fleece, completely biodegradable. You just pop your plant in them, grow them on, and then the whole lot just gets popped in the ground when they're ready to plant out. No waste, no plastic, no guilt. And wouldn't it be nice if the nurseries started selling us plants in little wool pots as well? I think it's time we all really made a stand to put an end to plastic in the gardening industry.